Take a look at this. Not hardly a leaf is shaking. A few little branches at the very top are shaking. The storm is eased off. Hey, Grasshopper, what you doing? Where's your buddy at? Oh, there's the firecracker. What do you say there, firecracker? What's on your mind? Is it round or yellow? It is? I bet I know what it is, too. He's worse than Jack. Well, I gassed up my generator for Saturday. I gassed up my Monster, and I cut the grass. Now I'm looking for the recliner as rapidly as possible. I got the green grass, the Mumbles man got the gold, the yellow, the metal we all search for. I'll show you. The land of nada. The other guys I know went to nada, they were not so lucky. But the Mumbles man did an outstanding job. Stand by. Well, I made it to the recliner for a few minutes. I got to go outside in about 10 minutes and play ball. I'm giving my feet a break, my rear end. And then we'll play ball for about 10 or 12 minutes till he gets too tired. He won't come in though, I have to bring him in. I believe he'll play till he fell off and passed that. There he goes right there, firecracker. It's bone time for her. I fed him about a half hour ago. Hey, you, wait, oh, what? What is that? Are you a chihuahua? Are you a baby chihuahua? I gotta get